What's going on, guys? The one, the only Water Cool Fool. Today we're going to be talking about a little bit about cable management on the STH10 case. We have 2 hard drives, 3 SSDs. So there's a lot of stuff going on in this case, believe it or not. And there's a lot of cables, like I said before, if you haven't seen my other vlogs about this, is with the 2 power supplies, it's hard to keep everything nice and neat. But I managed to do it. Probably going to get some longer cables. For example, like longer cables from CaseLabs for these, and I'm going to run it through underneath here and then shoot it over to be a little bit more hidden. So these are the 3 SSDs, the 850 Pro, the 840 Pro, and the Crucial 128 gig that I got when first the SSDs became like big to the market. We have upgraded the hard drives here. These are now 2 6 terabyte hard drives by Toshiba. So no more 2 terabyte hard drives, Western Digital Caviar Black editions. Okay, so for this right here, this is an Add to PSU product, and you have a 4-pin coming from the 1600 watt power supply, and it sends a signal or power to here, then tells this power supply to turn on, and then from there everything turns on. My fans, pumps, hard drives, everything. The 1600 watt is primarily just powering the motherboard with the 2 1 8-pin and then 1 4-pin to the motherboard, Titan X's, the 2 and SLI and everything. So cable management came pretty well, you know, pretty decent. These right here were a godsend. I love these, just Velcro tie wraps, so you don't have to continuously use zip ties. So that came out pretty well. The grid 2s are held in place with the 3M dual kind of Velcro. They're more or less plastic tape right here, so that's how I have them. And you can actually see they're still powered up. I have these guys right here. These are the 2 pumps. I used some 1-inch squares, zip tied those into place, and then I zip tied all the cables, try to get everything nice and neat. And then you can see right there pretty much any excess power from the power supply. Try to zip tie them up or use Velcros to make them nice and neat. So far the pumps are running full blast. I haven't hooked them up to my motherboard yet to do RPM control. Still debating if I want to do that or not. I also can hook them up to this guy right here if I want, because of the sensor on the pin itself. It can just control the RPM. The power is really getting from the case, or I should say the 1200 watt power supply. Then of course we have the hard drives here folded on nice and neat. We have 2 wires, the white wires here. I wish they were black for the reservoirs, and that's what it pretty much looks like back here. So let me go ahead and shut this, and then I'm gonna try to move the case the best I can because it's pretty heavy. Alright, so there we go, guys. So a little shot of the case here, and then here's the back and everything. So hope you guys like this video, maybe gave you some ideas on what to use for cable management and everything. So as always, rate, comment, subscribe, click that like button, and you guys always have a great day now. Bye.